Hi, welcome to this channel. My name's Oliver and today we're gonna have another great trading session on Quotex with binary options. If you're unfamiliar with the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment if you like the content, of course. And let me know in the commentary section if you have any suggestions or questions. And let's go with today's video. And don't forget that in the description to this video there is a Telegram group where you can learn about trading in general and particularly with binary options, as well as the link to the platform where I trade, which is called Quotex. So let's go with today's video. And today's video is we're gonna start with $2 only. And first of all, what I see here, let's have a look. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put on some, MACD, for example. And we're going to go for a call option here because the idea here is that there is a pullback on the to this zone, but actually there is a trend. So actually I'm going to go with right. So I went with the put option because really there is a trend on the bearish side. So although this pullback might have been still going up a bit, but I mean in this situation it's probably wiser to go with the put option because I don't think that the price is going to go up in the next minute because the trend still is bearish. So although look, I could be wrong. Well, let's wait for the result and we'll see. Ooh, we were lucky just. So $3.74 is our profit for now. So for the next one we're gonna go with $3, and let's see this currency here, and we'll go with let's see. Okay, we're gonna go for a call option here. On this one, it's a call option for sure. So we're gonna go again. This is a pullback, and I see the change direction of a trend, and this looks like a starting of a nice bullish trend. So let's wait for the result. Okay, here is our profit, $5.67, and we're gonna go with the next one for $5 maybe. Okay, let's go with $5 and the next option. And the next option is going to be, let's see. Okay, we're gonna go for a call option here because again I see MACD indicates that the price is gonna go up. Plus again we see a nice bullish trend starting here, although there's a resistance line there, but for now I think we're good. So let's wait for the result. $8.60 is the profit. It's getting good. Now we have $10 to spare for our next option, and as you can see the bullish trend is growing, so we were correct on this one. So let's go to the next currency, and here we see a flat, and we're gonna go into the long. We're gonna go for the call option because I see that the market is actually bouncing off a support level there, so therefore we're gonna have a slight growing price. Again, the MACD is showing there that there is the price is going to be rising. So yeah, let's wait for the result. All right, so we have $18.70 of profit, and now we can spare $18 for the next option. And as you can see, we were correct here, although there's a resistance line there and it could lead there to something different. We're gonna go for the next option, $18, and right here, oh, I see a nice bull trend there going along. So there was a correction. It tested the support line and then it bounced off it. So we're gonna go for a call option. Nothing to invent here. We're gonna jump on that train, as I like to say, and just relax. Okay, let's wait for the result. Here is our next profit, $34.02. Now it's $34 for the next option. We started with $2, so we're getting there slowly, but we're getting there. And this is a compound percentage in its best, because like from 2 in a few minutes we went up to $34 already, and every time is growing more and more, substantially growing. So okay, the next option, $34. I'm gonna go for a call option here because there is a bounce off the resistance level there inside of this time frame. So right now I went, because it's only 1 minute, I went with the put option, but obviously maybe for the next 5-10 minutes the price would come back onto trying out again this resistance line and then going up if it breaks it through. But otherwise we're gonna see some fall right now. So let's wait for the result. Here it is, $58.82. Now it's almost $60 that we have on our balance. You see how every time the bigger the number gets, the better. So the next one is going to be 59. Just 50 cents shy, or 45 cents shy from a 60. So it'll be great. Actually, right now I see that MACD is showing that the price will likely to go even further down. So as soon as that line crosses the, let's put 30.59, as soon as that line crosses the slower line, it will fall. Okay, so here we're gonna go for a put option. Exactly what happens here. You see, we just had this this line cross the orange line, so the green line crosses the orange line on MACD, means that the price is gonna go down. And I'm gonna go with that because it's a good indication usually. So let's go for the put option, and let's wait for the result. $111 and $12.69. That's a good profit there, considering we started with $2. So as you can see, this is the compound percentage. So this is how it rolls every time. We're going to use, so now 110 for example, and we're going to go. Okay, see, there is a few indications here. So we see the MACD showing that the price is going up, and here we're gonna go with the call option as well, because there is a what so-called pin bar. So the pins, when this happens, usually after the pins, you have the price going upwards or downwards. In this case, the trend is bullish, so it will continue to go up. So let's wait for the result. Here is now the profit, 210 now. So as you can see, every time we're using the entirety of our balance so this is a tactic you gotta use for the compound to work, for the compound percentage to work. You gotta put the earned one from each, the earned amount from each option sum up to the investment. So 210 here, and the next option. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. So there is a kind of a flat there right now, so I think it's losing its power. It's ready to go down, so I'm gonna go with the put option, because so the price was up, was going up, so the bullish trend was on, and then it entered kind of into a flat, means losing power, means that the price was overbought and basically overbought and overcharged basically. So the price is overcharged, I refer to, and from there when it's lost its power, it's just gonna keep going down. So this is the idea behind this. And then we see at the MACD as well, it shows a nice indication there. Again, the crossing indication, the lines crossing. So the green line, the fast line that goes first, starts crossing down the orange line, which is slower line, the second line that goes just behind the first line. And in the algorithm, when they cross, as you can see, actually we had a profit, really nice. As it crosses, we see a price going down in this case, in this scenario. And we just had $57 profit, and we're gonna go now with 360 and go with the next option. Okay, similar thing here. I'm gonna go ahead and maybe go for a put option maybe here. Okay, let's do that. Something similar here, not as fully formed yet, but I expect to see some. I mean, again, there is a strong resistance line that it's trying to break, so it went through it, which is an indication as well that maybe it's not so strong, the trend after all yet. So it might just go back until it picks up a bit more power. And here is another profit, $673, really nice. So we're gonna go with the next. So 675 could be our next option. Really nice, really nice. I'm quite happy with the profit already from $2, you know, it's something. So let's go with 675, and the next option, I'm gonna go for a call option here. So there's a nice situation going on. There's So this is quite a pullback there, but basically the trend. I'm gonna go for a put option here, just to catch this pullback. Basically, there's a new maximums are forming because the price is, the price is going up. Although the MACD is also showing us that the price is gonna fall, but it's not. I don't expect it to fall for long. I expect this to be a pullback. So for now, for maybe a minute to 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then it would probably pick back up. So in this case, well, let's wait for the result and see. Here it is, 1,289.25. That's a really, really good profit here. So we're going to go with 1000 now, because we have possibility to go with 1000, which is the maximums on the maximum on the platform in the option investment section. So here we're going to go ahead and put that 1000 and jump to our next currency, and oh, look at that. I'd go for a call option here, because I see there's a support line from which we just bounced off, and this strong bullish candle is a good indication as well for us to go up. Although the on the MACD as well, we see some bullish trend forming there, and we're likely to see also the green line, the fast line of the MACD, to cross in just a minute, to cross back up the slower line. So let's see the result. Here it is, 1680, and this is our profit for today. And guys, I think we had a really good session today. I'm going to stop here. If you like the content, let me know. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Don't forget about the description of this video for all the useful info, and good luck and goodbye.